Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make a simple dish. It's only include 5 ingredients. Well, I guess 6 with the avocado oil. I have a whole breast of chicken in this bowl here that I'm gonna cut up and saute in this avocado oil. I have Slap Your Mama seasoning salt that I got on the chicken. Here it's been marinating for like 30 minutes. And I have a whole pack of 12-ounce broccoli that I'm gonna use in this recipe. I'm gonna add a little sea salt, and I'm gonna add this Alfredo sauce to it. So it's gonna be a delicious, simple meal. So let me get started. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the meat. Cut that up first before I add it to the pan. I have the new way on 375 to brown up the chicken. When you don't have a lot of time, this is a great recipe to use to make your family a nice, easy, and delicious dinner. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the broccoli. Cover the broccoli for 15 minutes, just with some aluminum foil. Okay, everything looks delicious. I didn't add any water or anything, so now I'm going to add the Alfredo sauce to the pan. I'm going to add a little water to the jar. Okay. I'm going to cook this for another 7 minutes so that the broccoli and chicken will pick up the flavor of the Alfredo sauce. I'm going to taste it at this point to see if I need any sea salt added. It's delicious. No sea salt is needed. It's got enough salt. I let the broccoli and chicken cook for 8 minutes, not 12 minutes. This Lexus going off right now for 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down a little bit to about 300. Now at this point you can put some black pepper in there, but I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. It tastes delicious. watching Betty's Cooking Channel. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.